Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon you. So in this lecture, I will show you on how you can calculate a moment about a line or means an axis using dot product. So in the previous tutorial or in the previous lecture, I already taught you on how to calculate moment in 3D. So we have forces, we have one force or maybe multiple forces, and when we calculate the moment, so we can get moment in IJK form, in 3D form. Let's say we have a moment here, in this direction, moment in this direction. So let's label it as M1, so M1. So this moment here, this moment, the rotation of this moment, we know it by using our right hand. So this is the rotation of our moment. So this one, so this is the rotation of our moment. Check back. So how to calculate moment about a line or axis? Let's say we have a new line. We want to resolve this moment into this new direction. So let's say we have this direction. Let's label it as x prime. So we want to resolve this force. Means that just like your force, we want to resolve a force into a specific line. Like this. So this one also same. So moment here, when we want to calculate it to a specific direction, this one. So this one, let's label it as mx prime mx prime. So to use or to calculate this one, we can use dot product. If you still remember about how to find a force in a specific direction using dot product, moment also same. We use the same principle, which is dot product. So when we want to calculate this moment here, this mx prime here, in this new direction here, x prime here, what we need to have is the unit vector of this new line or axis. So it means that we need to have unit vector of this x prime. So to calculate this mx here, mx prime here, mx prime is equals to u x prime dot product with m1. So this u x prime here dot product with m1 here. So vector dot product with vector. So what will happen is that u x prime, let's label it as ux I plus uyj plus uzk, and this m1 here, dot product with m1xi plus m1yj plus m1zk. Dot product, this one dot product with this one. So when we do dot product, what will happen is that this one, ux here, you multiply with this one, m1x, and then plus with uy here, you multiply with this one, m1y, and then uz here, you multiply with this one, m1z. So means that ux multiply with m1x plus uy m1y plus uz m1z. So this is how you calculate moment, this one, about a specific line. About a specific line or axis, this one here, using dot product. So to calculate dot product here, you must find the you need vector of this new direction or this line here. So that's all for today. So in the next video, I will show you one question regarding this one here, this topic here, okay, on how to calculate a moment about a specific line or direction or axis. Okay, so see you again in the next video. Bye bye.